History remembers those who dared to dream differently, those who had the courage to challenge the status quo and envision a world beyond the limitations of their era. These visionaries saw beyond the accepted truths of their time, often facing ridicule and opposition for their groundbreaking ideas. Two such men, separated by centuries yet united by their relentless pursuit of knowledge and truth, were Galileo Galilei and Alan Turing. Galileo, an Italian astronomer and physicist, revolutionized our understanding of the cosmos. His observations through the telescope challenged the geocentric model of the universe, proposing instead that the Earth and other planets revolve around the Sun. Alan Turing, a British mathematician and computer scientist, cracked the seemingly unbreakable codes of the Enigma machine during World War II. His work not only contributed to the Allied victory, but also laid the foundation for modern computing and artificial intelligence. Both Galileo and Turing faced persecution for their revolutionary ideas. Galileo was tried by the Inquisition and forced to recant his heliocentric views, while Turing was prosecuted for his homosexuality, leading to his tragic demise. Their stories, though set in different eras, resonate with similar themes of courage, perseverance, and the relentless pursuit of truth. They remind us that the path to innovation is often fraught with challenges and that true progress requires unwavering dedication. Galileo and Turing remind us that progress often demands challenging established norms and that the journey of discovery is rarely without its obstacles. Their legacies continue to inspire future generations to push the boundaries of what is known and to explore the unknown with curiosity and determination. Born in Pisa, Italy, in 1564, Galileo Galilei was destined to become one of the most influential figures in the history of science. His early years were marked by a relentless quest for knowledge, a trait that would define his entire life. Galileo Galilei possessed an insatiable curiosity about the natural world. From a young age, he was fascinated by the mysteries of the universe, constantly seeking to understand the underlying principles that govern the cosmos. At a time when the Earth was considered the center of the universe, Galileo's innovative thinking began to challenge the status quo. The prevailing geocentric model, which placed Earth at the center, was deeply rooted in both scientific and religious beliefs. Galileo's observations through his revolutionary telescope challenged this deeply ingrained belief. His telescope, a groundbreaking invention, allowed him to see celestial bodies in unprecedented detail, revealing secrets that had been hidden from humanity for millennia. He meticulously documented the phases of Venus, proving that it orbited the Sun. This was a monumental discovery, as it provided concrete evidence that not all celestial bodies revolved around the Earth. Additionally, Galileo observed moons circling Jupiter, shattering the idea of Earth as the sole center of motion. These moons, which he named the Medicean stars, demonstrated that other planets could also have satellites. These groundbreaking discoveries, published in his book Sidereus Nuncius, or Starry Messenger, sent ripples through the scientific community and beyond. The book was a sensation, challenging long-held beliefs and igniting debates across Europe. Galileo's work, elegant in its simplicity and profound in its implications, provided the first observational evidence supporting the heliocentric model. This model, which placed the Sun at the center of the solar system, was a radical departure from the accepted norms of the time, where the Sun, not the Earth, held the central position in the solar system. Galileo's contributions laid the groundwork for modern astronomy, forever changing our understanding of the universe and our place within it. Galileo's revelations, while celebrated by some, put him on a collision course with the powerful Catholic Church. The Church, deeply invested in the geocentric view, considered Galileo's ideas heretical. They saw his work as undermining the scriptures and challenging their authority. Despite warnings, Galileo continued to defend his findings, believing that the book of nature and the book of scripture could ultimately be reconciled. In 1633, the Inquisition summoned Galileo to Rome. He faced a choice: recant his views or face imprisonment. Under the threat of torture, Galileo chose the former, publicly denouncing his belief in the heliocentric system. Legend has it that he muttered, "And yet it moves under his breath," a testament to his unwavering conviction in the face of persecution. Despite his condemnation and subsequent house arrest, Galileo's ideas continued to spread. His work, translated and disseminated across Europe, sparked a scientific revolution. Galileo's legacy extends beyond his astronomical discoveries. He championed the scientific method, advocating for observation, experimentation, and mathematical analysis as the foundation for understanding the natural world. Today, Galileo stands as a symbol of scientific integrity and courage. He dared to challenge dogma, relying on evidence and reason to illuminate the universe's true nature. His story reminds us that the pursuit of truth often comes at a price, but the rewards, in terms of knowledge and understanding, are immeasurable. Section 5. Alan Turing, Decoding the Future. Fast forward 3 centuries, and we encounter another visionary, Alan Turing. Born in London in 1912, Turing possessed a brilliant mind that excelled in mathematics and logic. He rose to prominence during World War II, his genius proving instrumental in breaking the Enigma code used by the German military. Turing's work at Bletchley Park, Britain's code-breaking center, was shrouded in secrecy. He and his team raced against time, deciphering intercepted messages that provided crucial intelligence to the Allied forces. Their success in breaking Enigma is credited with shortening the war and saving countless lives. Section 6. Cracking Enigma, a wartime hero. The Enigma machine, with its complex system of rotors and settings, was considered unbreakable. Turing, however, approached the problem with a unique perspective, imagining a machine that could think like its human counterpart. This led him to develop the Bombay, an electromechanical device that could test thousands of Enigma settings, significantly reducing the code-breaking time. Turing's contributions to the war effort were pivotal, yet his role remained largely unknown to the public for decades due to the classified nature of his work. It was only after the war that the full extent of his achievements at Bletchley Park came to light, revealing him as a true war hero. Section 7. The Father of Computer Science. Beyond his wartime achievements, Turing is considered the father of theoretical computer science and artificial intelligence. His groundbreaking work on the Turing machine, a theoretical model of computation, laid the foundation for the development of modern computers. Turing's vision extended beyond simply building machines that could compute. He explored the very concept of intelligence, proposing the Turing test as a way to determine if a machine could exhibit human-like intelligence. This test, despite its controversies, continues to be a benchmark in the field of artificial intelligence. Section 8. The Price of Genius: Turing's Tragic Fate. Despite his monumental contributions to science and society, Turing's life ended tragically. In 1952 he was convicted of gross indecency for his homosexuality, which was then illegal in Britain. Subjected to chemical castration as an alternative to imprisonment, Turing's health and spirit were broken. In 1954, at the age of 41, Turing died from cyanide poisoning, ruled a suicide. His death was a profound loss, robbing the world of a brilliant mind that undoubtedly had much more to offer. In 2013, Queen Elizabeth II granted Turing a posthumous pardon, acknowledging the injustice he suffered and celebrating his invaluable contributions to the nation. Section 9. Enduring Legacies: Lessons in Courage and Innovation. Galileo and Turing, separated by time but united by their pursuit of truth, serve as enduring inspirations. Galileo, the father of modern observational astronomy, and Turing, the pioneer of theoretical computer science, both pushed the boundaries of human understanding. They exemplify the power of human curiosity and the relentless pursuit of knowledge, even in the face of adversity. Galileo's meticulous observations of the heavens and Turing's groundbreaking work on algorithms and computation have left indelible marks on their respective fields. Both challenged the status quo, Galileo questioning the Earth's place in the cosmos, and Turing pushing the boundaries of what machines could achieve. Their willingness to defy conventional wisdom and explore uncharted territories set them apart as true visionaries. Their stories remind us that progress often comes at a cost. Galileo faced the wrath of the Church for his heliocentric views, while Turing endured persecution for his sexuality, despite his invaluable contributions during World War II. Galileo faced persecution from the Church, while Turing suffered under discriminatory laws. Their personal sacrifices underscore the harsh realities that often accompany groundbreaking work. Yet, their legacies endure, their contributions forever etched in the annals of science and history. Galileo's telescopic discoveries revolutionized our understanding of the universe, and Turing's theories laid the foundation for modern computing. We remember them not only for their groundbreaking discoveries but also for their courage, reminding us that the pursuit of truth and the fight for equality are battles worth waging. Their enduring legacies continue to inspire new generations of scientists, thinkers, and dreamers to push the boundaries